What is artificial intelligence or machine learning? A question that echoes through the corridors of innovation and technology. Today we uncover the mystery that enshrouds these terms, simplifying them for your understanding. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a concept that you've likely heard tossed around in discussions about the future. But what exactly is it? Picture a computer system capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks may include decision-making, speech recognition, visual perception, and even language translation. Yes, that's right. AI is about creating intelligent machines that work and react like humans. Now, you may wonder, how does this magic happen? Enter machine learning, or ML. It's a subset of AI that provides the system with the ability to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child to identify objects. You show them an apple a few times and voila, they can recognize it. Machine learning takes this simple concept and applies it on a grand scale. Through algorithms and statistical models, ML enables machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions. It's the brain behind the AI brawn, the wizard behind the curtain. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work while you catch up on some sleep, where your fridge orders groceries when you're running low, where a virtual assistant schedules your meetings and even suggests what to wear based on the weather. This isn't science fiction, it's the world AI and ML are creating. AI and ML have become a cornerstone in sectors like healthcare, finance, transportation, and even entertainment. They're revolutionizing industries, enhancing efficiency, and changing the way we live. From personalized movie recommendations on Netflix to Siri answering your queries, AI and ML are not just concepts, they're reality. So to summarize, artificial intelligence is about creating machines that mimic human intelligence. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from experience and improve their performance. Together, they're shaping our present and will continue to shape our future, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And there you have it, a simplified explanation of what AI and ML are. Remember, understanding these concepts is not just for tech enthusiasts or computer scientists, it's for anyone who's curious about the world around them and the future we're stepping into. So the next time someone asks, what is artificial intelligence or machine learning, you'll have the perfect answer.